In Jamaica today, there are women whose wealth has surpassed that of the richest in the world. Some of these women live on the island while some live overseas. These women can be found in diverse business endeavors. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, A Glimpse of Jamaica, where you get trending, interesting, and amazing information on Jamaica and Jamaicans. If you're new or you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscription button below and remember to like, share, and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of the other exciting videos I have in store for you. So let's get right into the video. Oh, one thing before we get any further, just to let you know that all the information that I present here, I gathered from the internet. So I had no way of verifying these information. If you have information otherwise, you could comment it below. So as it stands, unless challenged or verified by the person stated below, the information is what I got from the internet. Coming in at number 10, we have Audrey Hinchcliffe. Hinchcliffe is the founder, chairman, and chief executive officer of Manpower Maintenance Services Limited. Prior to this, she was a healthcare worker. She has been recognized as one of the most successful entrepreneurs in Jamaica. She has an estimated net worth of 7.5 million US dollars. At number 9, we have Taylor Lynn. She is the founder of Island Grill chain. Currently, there are 18 locations island-wide and 1 in Barbados. Miss Lynn is a powerful contributor to nation building. Her estimated net worth is approximately 8 million US dollars. Coming in at number 8, we have Dorothy Pine McClarty. She is one of the most powerful women in Jamaica. Miss McClarty has been a top lawyer for over 45 years and was a long-serving partner of the law firm Myers, Fletchers and Gordon until recently when she retired. Her estimated net worth is set at about US $10 million. At number 7, we have Sandra Denton. Sandra is a Jamaican-American rapper and actress. She was made popular from the group Salt and Pepper. Her estimated net value is about US $15 million. At number 6, we have Sanya Hughes, a former beauty queen who is now an actress. She is known for her role in Pirates of the Caribbean. She has also acted in other movies like On Stranger Tides and Women of Island Paradise. Her net worth is valued at US $24 million. Next, we have Paula Kerr-Jarrett. Kerr-Jarrett is listed among the richest in the world, as appeared in financial magazines. She is from a wealthy family. and she's presently involved in the promotion of Montego Bay. Her net worth is estimated at about US $45 million. At number 4, we have Parissa Fitzhenley. Miss Fitzhenley is a Jamaican American actress, best known for her television roles as Reva Connors in Jessica Jones and Luke Cage, and as Witch Fiji Kavanaugh in Midnight, Texas. Her net worth is estimated at about US $55 million. At number 3, we have Stacian Chin. Stacian is a spoken word poet, performing artist, and rights political activist. Her work has been published in the New York Times, the Washington Post, and the Pittsburgh Daily. She was also featured on the Oprah Winfrey Show, where she shared her struggles growing up in Jamaica. Her net worth is estimated at about US $71 million. At number 2, we have Venice Kong. Venice moved to the US at age 6 with her mother. Kong was once a Playmate center spread in the Playboy magazine. She has appeared in several Playboy videos. She has also appeared in a few movies. Apart from modeling and acting, she has also worked in the investment banking world. Her estimated net worth is about US $107 million. And rounding off the list at number 1, we have Rita Humphreys Llewellyn. Mistress Humphreys Llewellyn has been at the forefront of Jamaica's stockbroking industry for over 45 years. She is the founder and former chairman of Barita Investments. She is the first female chairman of a stock exchange in the Caribbean. Her net worth is valued at about US $115 million. So there you have it. And as I said before, all this information I gathered from the internet. So I stand to be corrected. You can comment below if there's anyone who you think should be on the list who was not there, or if I have gotten enough the information incorrectly, you can correct me below. And before I go, a honor mention I would like to add to the list: Michelle Kong of Honeybun, Diana Stewart of Stewart Motors, and the Duncan ladies from JMMB. I had no information regarding their net worth, so I mentioned because I know they are among women of influence in Jamaica also. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.